one, go.
I'm Jen Cushman. I'm the president of UMA, and today marks a transformative step in UMA's history, a step that will allow us better to serve our students, address critical workforce needs, and make a lasting impact on Maine's communities.
I'm pleased to have secured $4.5 million in funding to better supply our medical workforce with the facilities and tools that they'll need to be successful.
Today we celebrate the groundbreaking of the UMA Capital Center, a 20,000 square foot facility that will serve as a cornerstone for the future of education in our state. This is a great day for UMA and an even greater day for the state of Maine. Thank you.
As Adam just said, despite the weather, this is a very bright day for UMA, for our system, and for our state. As you know, none of this would be possible without the one-time federal funding secured by our senators, Susan Collins and Angus King. I want to congratulate our colleagues at the University of Maine at Augusta on the kickoff to the long-awaited construction of your new Capital Center.
This new space will provide the opportunity for increased enrollments, which in turn contributes greatly to offsetting the nursing shortage that is projected, as Sam pointed out, to be more than 2,800 nurses by the year of 2030.
Thank you to all gathered here today who have come together with creative solutions and funding. We look forward to enhancing the opportunities for students to take advantage of this wonderful nursing program, which will directly benefit patients in the Kennebec Valley well into the future.
It's an honor and privilege to be a representative for our past, present, and future nursing students attending UMA. We're celebrating the opening of the state-of-the-art facility that will support the ongoing education of our future nursing and cybersecurity professions.
This building will contain many state-of-the-art simulation labs that will provide hands-on learning that will prepare UMA graduates to enter the challenging fields of nursing and cybersecurity. We're not just remodeling a building, we're reshaping our ability to train the next generation of cybersecurity leaders.
For students like me pursuing a career in cybersecurity, this facility represents a new chapter of growth, innovation, and hands-on learning. We're eager to step into this new space, embrace the opportunities it provides, and strive to make a meaningful difference in the field of cybersecurity. Thank you.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.